Good morning, you guys. Today is the start of a brand new vlog. Today I'm going to be doing a productive day in my life because tomorrow I'm actually starting my new job and I have so many things to do to prepare. The first thing is I need to go to the grocery store to pick up a few things as well as doing some meal prep. So I've already showered and gotten dressed, so we're going to go ahead and do that and I'll take you guys along with me for my day. So yeah, please excuse my hair for the rest of this video. I just washed it yesterday. If you are curious to see my wash day routine, be sure to check out my very last video because you guys seem to really like it. So anyways, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and let's get this day started. Guys, much later, I finished cooking and prepping for the week. I made granola, some protein waffles using the Kodiak Cakes mix, which is actually so good. It's the first time I'm trying it because I think we recently got it in Canada. It's worth the hype. It's so good. I made some bacon, just prepped that for like sandwiches and stuff. I tried to make banana bread and I've made this recipe before, but for some reason it just did not turn out today, which is unfortunate, but we still have 3 more bananas left. So I might later today go put those in the fridge, and maybe later this week if I have time after work, I'll make some more banana bread because it's a fairly easy recipe, so I'm gonna try that. But right now I'm just having a coffee and I'm just snacking on some fruit as well as some of these like made good granola balls because the banana bread didn't turn out. But I'm gonna just hang out and chill. I did some laundry. I think you guys saw that as well, just getting some clothes ready. I think I need to like clean up my room a little bit, just wipe it down. I still have like a full day ahead. I need to practice piano, work out, stretch, all that stuff. But I was gonna go vote today and do the early voting for our federal elections, but I don't think we'll have time for that today, unfortunately. It's kind of annoying, but the early voting location is like significantly further from my house than the regular voting location, which is like down the street from me. So I don't think I have time for that today, but I have to double check if it's open again tomorrow. I don't think so, but if it is, I'll go early tomorrow. If not, obviously I'll just go on election day. If you are eligible to vote in Canada, please do, because it's very easy, very simple, and very important. But anyways, I'm gonna chill. This camera's like low-key dying a little bit. Not sure what we're gonna do about that, but we'll figure that out. So yeah, I think I'll pick you guys up when I work out next, because like I said, the camera is slowly dying, and then we'll talk again a little bit in the afternoon. So just want to pop in here, give a little update.
Let your head touch the floor. 8 again. 1. Exhale. Stretch your elbow to opposite knee. These are this exercise are necessary. Last 8. 1. Now reversing.
Started talking about her and Paige's double wedding. Well, Chloe, little baby partners in crime. See you guys more than I see my sister. Could we ask? But I thought it was kind of fun to that you can come to the sleepover on Friday.
So sorry again about the hair, but I just finished packing my lunch for work tomorrow. More or less, I'm gonna make the sandwich in the morning and my yogurt parfait in the morning, but I just packed my bag and I just packed some of my snacks in my like handy dandy Lululemon lunch bag. The good thing about this position for me, I don't have to like repack my bag every single day. I just have to pack my lunch and pick up my outfit, so that's all good. So outfits picked out as well. I ironed my pants and shirt. And so yeah, we're pretty much done for the rest of the night. I think I'm just gonna like do my like nighttime routine of like reading, journaling, doing all that sort of stuff. And then we're gonna go to sleep and then my work day tomorrow. So let's go ahead and have a little bit of a chill night and wind down.